channel, Susie Jamaica Vibes. Today we are doing the spicy noodle challenge, and we're using cup noodles. And we have some water here, and here we have hot pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and right here we have the Grace pickle pepper, and here we have scotch bonnet pepper sauce as well, and a glass of milk in case anyone lose the challenge.
Tempted.
Lose the challenge or the motor burn off. So we're going to open up here now. Get some water in there. And guys, in the meanwhile, feel free to go ahead and like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. You put the pepper in there first, sorry, I got this. Let me get this out of the way.
If you throw like that, the water need to dilute the pepper.
No, what you don't want, if you get hotter, you put pepper in, you don't put this in the heat until you throw it on yourself. And guys, we're doing a mix. We're going to use the noodle instead of the noodle and the water. You have to let it soak first. Make it soak first. You know what it soak
Then you
first?
say try pepper in there.
Yeah, put pepper in.
Put the scotch bonnet pepper in there to go on.
What you want? Let me not forget no pepper in me.
Is that an article?
Yes, and you want pepper in my eye. Alright.
No, love, when it's too saggy.
So guys, in the meanwhile, we're waiting on this to soak. What I'm going to say, let's say, cooking direction, fold back the lid halfway, fill the inside line with boiling water, close the lid securely, and let it sit for 3 minutes. If you get too soggy, I don't want to eat either. Not even 1 minute not gone. There's some chunk on your phone. There's some chunk on your phone.
Put on the speaker.
Because copyright thing. Probably cut out this ice apart. Make it on, make it so up a bit now.
I have to go at 9. I want it so longer.
So we are removing the noodle from the cup, just to get the noodle alone. And guys, if you're watching this video and you like it, might as well go ahead and subscribe.
Pepper actually tastes in the water somewhere. You would think it ever tastes nicer again.
No, but you have to put pepper sauce for you.
And not to be soapy so long.
So guys, what we're going to do now is, you want me to make sure say even, you want to make sure say everybody get equal amount. So if this is a teaspoon, this? Yeah, this is a teaspoon. We're using a teaspoon. So a teaspoon each of the scotch bonnet pepper. So guys, there, a teaspoon. Teaspoon there. Yeah, I'll stir that in. Mommy can't smell pepper already.
Actually, want to taste nice.
No, not eat it yet. You didn't use the pickle pepper yet.
What? You have to eat some first.
No, you have to use the pickled pepper as well. Use a teaspoon as well. Teaspoon each.
Use my teaspoon.
But guys, I love pepper. Trust me, I love pepper. But this smells really, really hot. Oh God, Chrisan. No man! Stop. You're too wicked. You're too wicked, man. Guys, look here. The noodle actually changed color with the pickled pepper. What did I say? Do you get your mouth ready for it?
May I just taste this in the tray?
No!
It not spoil.
No, you can't drink the milk, Chrisan. You can't drink no milk. You lose already. You lose already. You're not supposed to drink no milk, man. She a butter up her mouth for it. You hear? She a butter up her mouth for the hotness. Count to 3.
3,
3, 2, 1. I won't eat it fast now. I won't eat it fast. Let's quickly.
I already win some can drink.
Guys, it's me again. You're not supposed to drink no water. You don't drink milk. You're supposed to drink no more.
I already win.
No.
I actually never expected it to be so hot.
It's too hot, man. It's too hot.
You're gonna boneyard.
That's the most I run water. Oh man. Trust me, I don't know how some people manage to do this challenge because pepper is really hot.
Actually,
Pepper hot, man. No, sir.
I actually like pepper, but I never really stick to it. Yeah, that's so hot.
You know, so you find a way to cheat. Every time I do something, you always find a way to cheat, though, you know that?
Can you drink here?
Be careful. Are you want to drink milk? Or be careful, prepare your mouth for it in the first half, that's why. You must say you drink some milk before me. You drink some milk before you start eating something them. You did. People unnecessarily drink some milk.
Me here actually around left me.
So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up and comment and share this video. Guys, pepper really hot. No! Once again, it's your girl Susie.
And Kristen.
And we're out for now. Until next time. And guys, please, I want you to tell me which video we should do next. Because, trust me, I don't like this one. Right now, my lip burn me. Your lip not burn you?
No, I'm just hot.
Because your lip not burn you?
No. Me just temperature hot.
No, man, me get enough, me get more pepper than you. Your lip burn me, trust me, that burn me. Guys, this Scotch bonnet.
Spur tree.
Scotch bonnet is really hot. Trust me, it has the pepper seed and everything in it. It's there. Yeah, crushed pepper. So the whole pepper, crush up in it. This one,
And you have a pepper seed.
the ripeness is very hot. And plus we put some freshly picked Scotch bonnet pepper in it too. No man, I'm not sitting nothing there. No sir. Guys, I'm not sorry for it.
Sorry for your fever.
My lip a burn off. Trust me, my lip a burn off. Please, don't try this at home. I'm telling you, please don't try it at home. Let me get that up at the pepper then.
Me know I'm lazy to ice and no milk them. Only me lip a bun me na.
But you said it now, I'm obsessed with that sweet.
No, my temperature hot, not pepper hot.
Oh. Lip a,
No,
you want the ice?
cool down.
You want to put the ice for you?
I don't want the ice again. If me remember before me they use the ice and no milk them, that means I couldn't feel when pepper bun.
Don't tell you that. You tried it before?
We try everything.
No, if you use ice, and then the
Yes,
pepper will
enough,
burn
you
you.
know,